So now going back to our problem, remember our area is 49.44, the one that we got a while ago. If you want to know how did we get that, please watch the video in the previous video and find out. But that's only 2 phases done. Because remember, we still need to... Gets ko na. Maybe that could be the area of... Yeah, kasi that's one octagon kasi eh. That's the area of one octagon. So now we're gonna have to multiply it by 2. And then with that, we should get everything times 6. Alright? Times 8 pala. So you still remember the answer we got here is 25.6. And you might be answering, how did I... Ganito ba kasi yung nangyari? Diba remember to get the area of one, we got the area of the hexagon, so now we get the area of one of the rectangles. So for the rectangles, it's very easy. So ang ginawa ko, 3.2 times 8 na lang. And then you should get 25.6. But because there are 8 of them, that's why we can do all of this. And then when we sum this up all together, this pertains to the sum. Sinam namin tayong lahat ito. And what answer did we get? We took the sum of everything and we should get, where's the enter? Yan. 303.686. So that is the surface area of the octagonal prism. But that is in square centimeters only. We need to convert that to square millimeters. But don't worry, madali lang yan. Here's the conversion table. We know that 1 square centimeter is worth 100 square millimeters. How's the formula? Kasi what do I remember? 1 cm is 10 mm. Square both sides, and you should get the other side as 100. So yung 383, we multiply it by 100, we should get, ito yung sagot namin. Yes. We move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Kasi iba kung sa timo kanina, 303.68, this should be 30,368.61. So yun yung area ng octagonal prism. Yun. Now, let's move on to the... So, now we're already done with surface area of the 2. Now, let's get to volume. For volume, maiksi lang to. You just have to do base times area of the base. Remember the area of the base? Then times the height, which is 8 centimeters, right? So, therefore, ito yung ginawa ko. Ang volume ay 49.44 times 8. 8 centimeters. You should get, what's the answer? 395.5475. That is the area, of, that is the volume of the octagonal prism. And now, this is what we're going to do. Remember, it says we need to convert that to millimeters cubed. To convert that to millimeters cubed, we know that 1 cm is worth 1,000 cubic centimeters. Why is that so? 1 cm is 10 mm. But because it's volume, we're gonna have to cube it. Cube it. In-emphasize ko yung cube. So therefore, it becomes, look, 395. We move the decimal place 3 points to the left, right? And we should get 395,544.75 cubic millimeters. So yun yung sagot. Okay? Last but not least, I also ask you to convert that into liquefied units. First, we need to convert that to ml. Paano nangyari yun? You still remember that volume should be converted into ml. It's still 395.54, but change your unit lang. So that becomes ml. So we know if we were to convert it to deciliters, that's worth 100 ml. So we're gonna have to divide it by 100, which gives you 3.95 deciliters. And if you want to see my answer key, ito yun. Did we get it right? Yes. Ang surface area ng octagonal prism ay 303.6861875. If it were in square millimeters, move the decimal point 2 places to the right, and that should be 30,000. Tapos, ang volume, it's supposed to be, diba remember, normally it's supposed to be 395.55 ml. That's the volume, if it were in cubic centimeters. But because we move the decimal place 2 places to the right, it should be 395,544. Point. Yan. Move the decimal point 3 places to the right. Okay? And then for deciliters, based on your volume in cubic centimeters, which you convert to ml, divide by 100 by moving the decimal point to the left. At yun lang. That's how we solve for the answer. Thank you very much and have a good day.